Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert blood test results to JSON in C# using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample blood test results and convert it into a JSON format. So let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio editor. You can also use your favorite editor in C#. Next, enter the C# sample code. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. Now, let's install the Newtonesoft.json. On your Solution Explorer, right-click on the References, and click on the Manage NuGet Packages. On the Browse, search the Newtonesoft.json, and click the Install button. After installing the Newtonesoft.json, add your PDF.co API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, load the source file. On the Solution Explorer, add the source file. Then, click on the source file, and turn the output directory to copy always. Now, type in your desired output file name. Then, enter the template file name. On the Solution Explorer, add the template file. Then, click the template file, and turn the output directory to copy always. Once you're done setting up the code, you may now run the program. The program runs successfully, the output was saved to result.json file. Now, let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully converted into JSON format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.